I guess I can do a, I don't know, I guess a follow-up video. This was the Sundown X version 2. Sorry. Sundown X version 2. This was the original magnet structure. It actually looks like it's in pretty good shape, but I still wanted to upgrade this simply because it has an extra long pole. It's a little too long. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on, and it still has some rise above it, so to guide the coil back in there in place. And then I replaced it with a quad stack, 1 inch, 1 inch, and then these are 3/4 inch. So it's only about a 1/2 inch taller, but again, more gonzo. So, but that'll be done, and then I can build that out. Oh, that's what I forgot to do. I got to add the bolt hole circles. I got to get this over to the machine shop. I want to add the 135 bolt pattern, maybe the 160 if it can fit out here. Sometimes it gets into here and it gets weird, and I don't like to do that, but I'll do at least the 135 so that way we can use the new TI frames on it. So, and that's it for that. If somebody wants to buy it, please let me know. Text me direct with your name and your shipping address to make sure that we, you know, can ship to you. The phone number is 602-312-6504. Again, please just text, don't call. Thanks.